Hello students, good morning. So welcome back after a long time. So today we will start with exercise 1.3 of class 7th, and this is the book NCERT Maths class 7. So let us start with exercise 1.3. This is 1.3. Question number 1. Find each of the following products, and the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I until J parts are given. So we will solve all the parts of question number 1. So let us start. First one is 3 into minus 1. Okay, product means multiplication. So how we will solve it? Let us see. First one is 3 into minus 1. Product means multiplication means simply multiply. 3 ones are 3, and 1 minus sign is given. 1 minus sign means it will be minus 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3 and 1 minus sign is given, so it will be minus 3. b1 again is the same, minus 1 into 225. So multiply 225 into 1. 225 into 1 will be 225, and 1 minus sign is given, so it will be minus 225. Clear? Now the C1 is minus 21 into minus 30. Now here we can see two minus signs are given and the product means multiplication. So first let us multiply 21 into 30. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and 0 is 0. 21 into 30 will be 630, and two minus signs are given, so minus minus will be plus, और माइनस माइनस कैन बी कैंसिल. हम यहाँ पे इसको कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, और माइनस माइनस इज प्लस, सो इट विल बी प्लस 630. बट दिस इज नॉट द वे ऑफ राइटिंग, and it is not necessary to put the plus sign before any integer. We can just write 630. Having no sign before the integer means it is a positive sign, so answer is 630. Clear? Now moving to the D1, minus 316 into minus 1. Again it is same. 316 into 1 will be 316. First let us simple multiply it. 316 into 1 will be 316, and two minus signs are given, so minus minus will be cancelled. Answer will be 316 only, 316. E1. Now E1, minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. So here three integers are given, minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. If we move towards our property, I have explained the properties of an integer in the previous videos. If we talk about the properties, we have studied in that if any integer is multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0 itself. Means when the integer is multiplied, when any number is multiplied by 0, it will be give 0 only. So here minus 15 into 0, when the 0 is multiplied, it is multiplied with 15 also, it is multiplied with 18 also. So any number multiplied with 0 give the 0 only, so answer will be 0. We can directly write 0. Or otherwise, if you're not able to understand this, so what we can do, 15 into 0, 15 zeros are 0, okay, into minus 18, and 0 18s are 0, and 1 minus sign is given. So now if you are thinking that 1 minus sign is given, यहाँ पे भी तो एक minus sign दिया था, तो हमने minus लगा दिया. So why not here? If we put the minus 0, is it correct? No, because 0 is neither a prime number nor a composite number, and 0 is known as 0 only. Okay, or we can directly write the answer 0, because any number multiplied with the 0 gives 0 only. Clear? Now moving to the F1, minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. So what we will do, here also three integers are given. So let us first multiply two integers, any two integers, either these two or these two. So with what will be easy? Let us multiply this two. Okay. So write minus 12 as it is, into 11 into 10 will be 110. 11 tens are 110, and minus minus, no, only one minus sign is given here. Minus sign is not given, only one minus is given, so it will be minus 110. Clear? Now 12 into 110. Now let us multiply these two numbers. 12 into 110. 12 into 11. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. 2 2 1 3 and 1. Now you are thinking that where is the 0? 0 कहाँ चला गया? But we can write 0 directly. 1320. If we will multiply 12 into 110, we will get 1320. एक 0 है, हमने एक 0 लगा दिया. सिंपल, ये दोनों नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई किया और एक 0 है तो एक 0 लगा दिया. So answer will be 1320. And 2 minus signs are given. Yes, correct. Minus minus will be cancelled. So answer will be 1320. This is the answer for the F1. Now moving to the G1. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Now 9 into 3, again 3 integers are given. Let us multiply any two integers, these two or these two. Let us multiply these two numbers now. 9 3s are 27, very good. And 1 minus sign is given, so let us put minus 27 into minus 6 as it is. Now multiply these two numbers. 27 into 6, 6 7s are 42, carry 4, 6 2s are 12, 13 14 15 16, 162 and minus minus will be cancelled or plus. So answer is 162. दो माइनस साइन है तो कैंसिल हो जाते हैं या फिर माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाता है. बोथ आर सेम. नाउ द H1. minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Hope you are understanding my writing. My writing is not so good. Now minus 18, again we can multiply any of these two integers, either these two or these two. So let us multiply 18. No, we will multiply 5 into 4. This will be easy. Write minus 18 as it is into 5 4s are 20. Minus minus cancel. Clear? Minus minus cancel. Now 18 into 20 will be 18 2s are 36 and 1 0 is there, so put 1 0. 360. 18 2s are 36 and 1 0 is given, so put 1 0. So 18 into 20 will be 360 and 1 minus sign is given, so it will be. अब ये क्यों नहीं कैंसिल हो रहा? ये किससे कैंसिल होगा? एक ही माइनस साइन है, अगर यहाँ भी माइनस होता तो कैंसिल हो जाता, बट ओनली 1 साइन इज गिवन, सो पुट द माइनस साइन. minus 360. दिस इज द आंसर फॉर द H1. Now moving to the I1. 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus into 4. Now the 4 integers are given, so let it be either 4 or 5 or 6 integers are given. Nothing happens, all are same. What we have to do, we have to simply multiply and we have to see the minus signs. So first let us multiply these two integers. 1 2s are 2 or 2 1s are 2. Minus minus cancel. Very good. So it will be only 2. Now this into sign is given, so put the into sign. No need to put the plus or minus sign. जो बीच में साइन रहेगा वही साइन हम पुट करेंगे. Now 3 4s are 12 and minus sign is given, so minus 12. Okay. Now 12 2s are 24 and 1 minus sign is given, so minus 24. This is the answer for the I1, minus 24. Now the J1. minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. So this is the J1. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. So again 4 integers are given, so let us multiply 2 integers. 3 6 are 18. Minus minus cancel and into sign. 2 1s are 2. Minus minus cancel. Now 18 2s are 36. 36 is the answer for the J1. So here we complete question number 1 of exercise 1.3 and it was a very simple and easy question, and hope you understood this. So in next question we will solve in the next video. So till then, take care.